So, what are the Bulletproof Back courses that I offer? Really, there's only two at this point in time. There's a mini course that's about 4 lessons long, which is really an introduction to some basic concepts and is designed all about the idea of relief, back pain relief. I guess to build some trust. Got a wonderful little bird chirping in the background. He wants to be on the video. Thank you. I love it. The mini course is really simple. It's to give you some relief. If after you establish some relief, you think, maybe some of these techniques are worth exploring. And is it possible that some of these techniques could actually, with practice and repetition over an extended period of time, actually get me to where I want to be? Then I offer the 6-week signature course called the Bulletproof Backs, Building a Bulletproof Backs course. It's more comprehensive. It goes for longer. It's a deeper dive, but the mini course is where you can start. If you're sold on the mini course and you think, you know what, I don't mind this person teaching me, some of what she says makes sense, then that would be where I invite you to go next. In that course, we look at mindset, we look at emotional fitness, and we build out the movement, the quality movement concepts. We throw in some strength and conditioning, and it's got support included, access to booking consultations. It's all in there. I'll include the link below. And yeah, the coursework is great for those who are fairly independent and are happy to work at their own pace. And I guess they can follow a script. If that sounds like you, then the coursework would be a great place to start.